Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Brother DSmobile DS-635 portable scanner step by step. If you recently purchased this scanner and want to start scanning documents quickly, this guide will help you complete the setup in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the box and take out all the components. Inside the box, you will find the Brother DSmobile DS-635 scanner, USB 3.0 micro cable, quick setup guide and product safety guide, calibration sheet, warranty card. Remove all protective tapes and plastic covers from the scanner before using it. Make sure you keep the original packaging in case you need to transport the scanner in the future. Step 2. Now it's time to power the scanner. Take the included USB 3.0 micro cable and connect one end to the scanner, the other end to your computer. Once connected, the DSmobile DS-635 scanner will automatically power on through the USB connection. This scanner does not require a separate power adapter. Step 3. Next, we need to install the software. On your computer, open your browser and visit support.brother.com. Then, download the full driver and software package for your operating system. For Windows, download from the Windows section. For Mac, download from the Mac section. Once downloaded, run the installer, follow the on-screen instructions, and complete the installation process. Make sure your computer is turned on and you're logged in with administrator rights before installing the software. After installation finishes, restart your computer if required. Step 4. After installing the software, your scanner is ready to use. Make sure the scanner is connected to your computer with the USB cable, the scanner cover is closed properly, your document is straight and aligned before scanning. This ensures smooth scanning without paper jams. Step 5. Now, open the Brother scanning software installed on your computer. Insert the document into the scanner slot. The scanner will automatically pull the document and scan it. Your scanned file will appear on your computer where you can save it as PDF, image, or other supported formats. If you see the LED light blinking orange, it may indicate the scanner cover is open, a paper jam has occurred. Fix the issue and try scanning again. Important safety tips. To ensure safe operation, place the scanner on a flat and stable surface. Avoid placing it near water, heat sources, or direct sunlight. Do not expose the scanner to dust or moisture. Following these tips will help your scanner work properly for a long time. And that's it! Your Brother DSmobile DS-635 scanner is now fully set up and ready to scan documents anytime. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner setup guides. If you need any help with your Brother printer or scanner setup, to contact our support team. Call us anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.